This is the Land Sea Air. I did a adjustment to the linkage, the control arm linkage on that servo for those rods. I'll have to show you guys later, but let me just get in the air real quick. All right, let's see. Wind is coming from that way. There's some geese. Just wanted to show you guys real quick how easy it is to steer and control it now. At full throttle, she wants to go higher and higher. But for the sake of time, I'm just gonna show you guys real quick how easy it is to turn now. Once you make that adjustment, I don't know if you can see that, but I adjusted the inner ailerons and then also the rudder, those servo linkages. Let me get away from them trees. Doing a really just quick casual flight so you can kind of get an idea. Yep, I wasn't on a full battery, so with that being said, let me bring her down. Much easier. She turns on a dime now, guys. Just beautiful. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna bring her back this way. Before, without the mod, you had to make super wide turns. There we go. Coming in for a landing. There we go. Darkstar, which is the FX9672. So I'm gonna take it up in the air real quick. Earlier, I took out the Land Sea Air, the Xiaxiu. As you can see it right there. So I did an adjustment video earlier for the linkages. So I took that up. That flew beautifully. So right now we're gonna take the Darkstar up and let's see how it does. This is the maiden flight. There we go. All right, so I put a dime in the nose, and right now I'm flying on mode A. Just kind of want to get an idea of how she flies and controls. There's a little cutting out. I'm in the field where I had an issue with my 9630. Okay, it's a little windy up there. So this is just, again, a quick test flight. There she go. I'm gonna put it on mode B. If I can just look and see. There we go. Get a little more control over her. Cutting the throttle a little bit down. Yeah, that wind is carrying this bad boy. Let me put it on high rate. There we go. Give it a little more power to cut through. So what I did was put a dime, taped to the nose. Just want to see how she flies. And she's doing okay. I'm gonna probably wait for a less windier day and give her another flight stock, just to kind of see how she's doing. So there she is. Let me bring her back. Looks like some geese are trying to come check her out. Let me bring her this way. Yeah, this is gonna be a short flight. That wind is just really... Okay, there we go. A little lower to the ground might be a little best. All right, so just as a quick recap, I did a demo flight of the Land Sea Air. That's in red right here to the left. And I just finished the flight right now of the brand new Darkstar, the FX9672 from Flybear on the right. So I'll be back out here again when the weather is much better, when there's less wind, and I'm gonna remove the dime from the nose. I don't think she needs weight on the nose like the old one did. So we'll play around with the trims and get her flying just right. All right, this again was a quick demo test, and we'll see you guys next time.